Hey, business owners, this is what everyone's been waiting for, the quote. So you're probably wondering, what is a quote sheet? So a quote sheet is a formal document from a seller to a potential buyer that details the specific products or services being offered, their individual and total prices, and any relevant terms, conditions, and discounts. So for us to get to this process, a merchant success sheet must be filled out and a merchant statement must be given for us to give you the most accurate quote. We're going to start off with the date when the quote was created, account executive, which is the representative who's giving you the quote, email of the account executive, so anything that has to be sent via email, merchant's name, which is the business name, transactions. Transactions entails monthly sales for credit and debit only. Volume is the dollar amount of transactions for credit and debit only. I'm going to then go down to the three columns, which are the card type, rate, and transaction. Please note, depending on the program that you guys choose, the rates and transactions are going to vary. What I'm going to explain is the card type a little bit more in detail. We're going to start off with Visa, MasterCard, and Discover. So these are qualified cards, standard issue cards. So anything that gets charged on these cards, it comes straight off from their account. Online debit. That means the individual or the card holder is there present. So they're using their PIN code and there's a PIN pad for them to enter their PIN code. It's swiped, tapped, or dipped. Offline debit or key debit. This is when someone else is using their card. So the card holder is giving the card to a third party person and the person does not know the PIN or it is manually entered in. Examples are food establishments. Rewards. This is when a customer or the card holder is receiving a reward, such as cashback, flights, hotels, etc. Hand keyed. This is considered a line of credit, not debit, no bank affiliation, only credit. So this is considered as MOTO, mail order, telephone order. So the credit card is taken over the phone, even online. So the card holder is not present or the card physically is not present. This is considered a higher risk or higher incident of chargeback. So the rate and transaction fee might be higher. Corporate or business cards. These are considered one of the most expensive in rate and transaction fees due to the fact they have a higher purchasing power and higher threshold, meaning that the limit of each card is higher. So there might be multiple owners and they also might be at a higher risk because of chargeback. Because if there's multiple cards within the company or organization and if it's not communicated properly within the card holders on the purchases, there might be a higher risk of chargeback. Monthly service or equipment package. This is the program cost, and within the program cost, it is attached to a physical, tangible point of sale, plus there might be additional fees to integrate with software and hardware. Statement fees. This is the service for any merchant service to provide a statement for you. We then go down to current provider. This is the current provider the business is using for merchant services. How did we get this statement for us to give you the quote? So who are you using right now at the moment? We then break it down to current monthly fees, current yearly fees, fees after 4 years, and effective rate. We then go down to our company and break it down from our monthly rate, our yearly total, total after 4 years, and effective rate. Then we then show the difference within savings. So showing the difference of what you'll be saving monthly, yearly, 4 years of savings, and the percentage rate you'll be saving it at. So within the savings, you could utilize that money to reinvest within your business, or you could even help with operations within the business. So that money that you're saving can be utilized for something within the business itself, and that could generate more revenue. We then go down to signing for it and printing the name. There is a disclaimer that talks about Amex, which is American Express, and they do have their own separate statement. Thank you for watching my video. If there's any other more information that you guys need, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll be able to assist you to the best of my ability. Thank you again.